Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and before I begin, I apologize for any editing errors or anything because I'm really new to making videos like this. So today I'm going to be telling about the open source project that I've been working on and that I've built. It's called CryptoPay. So what is CryptoPay? CryptoPay is a payment gateway based on cryptocurrencies, Adder and Ignis. So what is a payment gateway? You might be wondering what a payment gateway is. So there are two parts to it. One, if you're a customer buying stuff on e-commerce marketplaces, on online marketplaces, and you would want to pay for your purchases using cryptocurrencies, you can use CryptoPay. CryptoPay makes it easier for you to check your card out and you sign your payments, confirm your payments in just a few taps on your phone app. That's it. So that's for if you're a customer, and then if you're a marketplace owner, you can enable your customers to pay using cryptocurrencies such as Adder and Ignis using CryptoPay. So all you got to do is sign up and generate an API key and put it in your web app of your e-commerce site, and whenever you make any API request to CryptoPay, you got to include the API key. And whenever your customers make a purchase, you just make an API request to CryptoPay, asking for the transaction, and CryptoPay is going to take care of notifying the customer to verify their passphrase by just scanning the QR code on their paper wallet. And everything is open source, CryptoPay, and I've also made a sample e-commerce site to demonstrate the working of CryptoPay, and also the mobile app that I've built using Flutter. All that's open source, and I've built the web apps using Django, which is a Python web framework, and that's it for now. I'm gonna see you in the next part. Cheers. Alright, so now you're a customer who would want to purchase something online and want to pay using your cryptocurrency. So usually, if you would want to pay for any of your purchases online using cryptocurrencies, it becomes a long process. But this payment gateway simplifies the whole process. It's going to make the process very simple. By just using a mobile app. So I'm gonna get to the mobile app later in this section, but let me just start off with the signing up procedure if you're a customer who would want to make purchases online. So you gotta create an account on CryptoPay, and it's advised to enter the same email in all the e-commerce stores. The same email as the one that you give over here. So let me just create an account. I'll just name myself as James Bond. James Bond. And I'm gonna keep the password as James Bond for now, but it's not advised you do this in real usage. I've disabled many mechanisms such as the password requirements and the email verification for demo purposes. But in real, I wouldn't recommend you do this. I'm just going to keep the password as James Bond and the email as jamesbond@example.com because there's not going to be any email verification on this demo version of this web app. So after this, you got to enter your public key that you get from your Adder account. So this is assuming that you already have an account on Adder. What you gotta do for getting your public key from Azure is you just gotta go into your Azure dashboard and click on more info right below your account balance, and you're gonna get your public key over there. So you just gotta paste your public key, and this platform maintains privacy to a great extent. Privacy and security to a great extent. So they're not going to ask you for passphrase, and we're not. This platform isn't going to store your passphrase in the database. It's only going to store your public key and your account ID if you're a seller. So as I'm signing up as a payer or someone who would want to make purchases online, so I don't even have to enter my account ID over there. So I'm just going to click on sign up, and yeah, we have successfully signed up as James Bond. And after signing up, you can download the app, the CryptoPay app, and I've created the CryptoPay app using Flutter, which is a cross-platform development tool. So it's going to be available for Android as well as iOS, but at the moment it's not there on Play Store. These are just mock links shown over here. But I'm going to upload everything to GitHub, and I'm going to link to the GitHub repository down below in the description, so that you can download the source code for the Flutter app, the APK if you want to run it directly, and everything else, including the source code for the payment gateway that I built using Django. So that's it for signing up with the payment gateway, and I already got this mobile app installed on my phone. I'm going to be demonstrating it later in the section. So let's head to an e-commerce site and make a purchase. Alright, for this purpose, I've also built an e-commerce site, a simple e-commerce site, just to demonstrate how paying with cryptocurrencies for your purchases would work and how simple it is. So as soon as you go to the e-commerce site, okay, this one just sells bicycles, shoes, and some goggles for cycling. I'm a huge cycling fan, so I just listed up these items, so I'm interested in this. Okay, so in order to buy something, you gotta be signed up, and for signing up over here, you gotta enter the same email that you have used to sign up with for CryptoPay. There's a link to CryptoPay over here if you haven't signed up. It's powered by CryptoPay, which is like the open source cryptocurrency payment portal that I made. So let's give it a username, James Bond. James Bond. Hold on. Bond. And then somewhere cool. And secret place, London, and United Kingdom. And this is gonna be a shipping address. You just sign up, alright? And then you log in using James Bond. And yeah, you're logged in. It says hi James Bond, and now you can add these goggles to your cart. And what else? Let's get the shoes. It's pretty cool for chasing out bad guys. And an electric mountain bike too. Alright, that should do it. Okay, so yeah, here's the thing. Like these are the items that you have added to the cart, and this is your total. So you can just proceed to checkout, and you can choose which cryptocurrency you want to pay with. For now, I'm going to just choose Ador. You can either choose Ador or Ignis, but I'm going to choose Ador because I'm using testnet and I don't have free testnet Ignis coins for demoing purposes. So I'm just going to go with Ador because I got testnet coins on Ador, and proceed to check out. And that's it. It's checked out. So then you can go to your orders, and this is an confirmed order, so which you gotta confirm, and this will be your order code or your order name, and you gotta confirm it using your mobile app, which I will be getting in now. Which I'm gonna be getting into now. Alright, so I'm going to be demonstrating the phone app that you got to use to confirm your transactions that you've initiated online, and it's pretty simple. You just got to take a picture of your QR code of your passphrase, and you're done. Your transaction is going to be confirmed. So I'm going to be demonstrating it for Android for now, as I don't have access to an iPhone. But you can do the same on your iPhone, as I've used a cross-platform development framework called Flutter, and it's going to generate apps for Android as well as iOS when the code is compiled. So you can just type the name of the app. Let me just open the app. It's called CryptoPay. When you open it, it's going to ask for your permissions. It's going to ask for your camera permission and your files, because it's going to be you got to use your camera to scan your QR code, and you got to give your same email that you used while signing up for CryptoPay at the beginning of the video. And as well as the e-commerce and everything. So just give the email, James Bond at example.com, and password's gonna be James Bond. Well, looks good. And you see this order over here that you initiated on the cSports site, which is the name of the e-commerce site that you made a purchase in, and that's basically the checkout code that you got on your orders in the website, and just click on the order. And it shows you the total over here too, and you can proceed to scan your QR code of your passphrase, and I'm going to scan it. You can just take a printout of your paper wallet and scan your QR code from there. I just scanned it from the PDF on my laptop screen, as I don't have access to a printer right now. So and then you're going to see your passphrase over here. It's as simple as that. You don't have to type your passphrase, and then you just confirm, and that's it. It's gone. You don't have any outstanding payments right now, and you're done with the mobile app. And now getting back to the e-commerce site. Alright, so getting back to the e-commerce site and your orders, at first you would be seeing this if you have stayed on the e-commerce site while checking out your mobile. You can just refresh this, and it's going to say it's out for delivery. Well, as soon as you refresh the page, it's going to say that your order's been confirmed and it's out for delivery, and that's great. You can just head on to your wallet too, and you just spent $19. I mean 19 dollars to pay for your e-commerce thing, and I mean for your e-commerce purchase, and it's been deducted successfully from your ad or account. All right, cool. And going over it again. And now going through the whole process again, if you're a buyer, real quick, what you do is you just sign up first. And after signing up, just use the same email to log in to the e-commerce site that is powered by CryptoPay. And in this case, it's cSports that I have built to demonstrate the working. And you add whatever you want to your cart. I'm going to just buy a few things, then go to your cart and take a look at the total, decide which currency, which cryptocurrency you want to use to pay. I'm going to choose add or proceed to checkout. It's going to take a while for me because my internet is pretty slow, and by the time it's also synced to my mobile app, and you can head to your orders if you want, and it's going to show up over here as an unconfirmed order. You can just click on the order tile on your mobile app, and it's going to ask you to enter your QR code. I'm just going to open my paper wallet on my laptop. But you're advised to take a printout and just scan a QR of my passphrase. It's going to show my passphrase over there. You don't have to type anything. You just got to buy, check out, scan, and then confirm. And after confirming, you just got to reload your orders, and it's going to say it's out for delivery. That's as easy as that, and it's also secure. We're not gonna store your passphrase anywhere. All we're gonna store is your public key. If you're a user who is buying things online, and your passphrase it's just gonna be on your mobile phone, which is gonna be erased after you confirm your order. So every time you buy something, you gotta enter your passphrase. Cheers.